Hi, this is Bryan Mellage from Mondocat. Today we're going to do a little maintenance. All style of open face casting reels that have a level wind have some kind of mechanism that as you reel in the line will move the line back and forth to keep it level. This particular reel is an Abu Garcia record. On the back side is a worm gear that is the mechanism that moves back and forth, moving the line back and forth that keeps it level on the spool. This worm gear will eventually get grimy, get sandy, and you should put some oil on it, but right here in the worm gear, and that will not only lubricate, but cleanse away any dirt and grime and sand that you've gotten on that worm gear. These mechanisms will eventually wear out. There's a little tang in here that is running in that worm gear and it's constantly moving as you reel in, and it has a lifespan, but keeping it oiled and keeping it lubed will make it last a lot longer, besides working a lot easier. So remember to keep them oiled up. There's a lot of different oils out there. You can buy a brand name or just go down to the hardware store and get 3-in-1 oil. But as long as you keep it lubed up, you'll be doing yourself a lot better. This is Bryan Mellage from Mondocat saying, have a great day on the water.